My name is Evangeline G. Ron, an enrolled agent, and the founder and principal consultant of Evangeline G. Ron, Incorporated, which is based in Los Angeles, California. My office serves more than 2,000 income tax clients all over the U.S. since 2008. I'm committed to sharing informational and educational tax and finance videos to empower taxpayers. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. That will greatly help my channel. If you owe money from the IRS, there could be a hefty amount of penalty or penalties you are being charged. Take a close look at the IRS notice, as penalties could range between 0.5% and 25% per month. The IRS may provide administrative relief from a penalty that would otherwise be applicable under its first-time penalty abatement policy, in short, first penalty waiver. You may qualify for administrative relief from penalties for failing to file a tax return, pay on time, and/or to deposit taxes when due, under the service's first-time penalty abatement policy, if the following are true. You didn't previously have to file a return, or you have no penalties for the 3 tax years prior to the tax year in which you received a penalty. You filed all currently required returns, or filed an extension of time to file. You have paid, or arranged to pay, any tax due. The failure to pay penalty will continue to accrue until the tax is paid in full. It may be to your advantage to wait until you fully pay the tax due prior to requesting penalty relief under the service's first-time penalty abatement policy. Other administrative relief. If you received incorrect oral advice from the IRS, you may qualify for administrative relief. Call the toll-free number on your notice. Is the information on your notice correct? If there is an issue you can resolve with your notice, a penalty might not be applicable. Call the toll-free number on your notice, either to resolve the issue with your notice or to determine if you are eligible for first-time penalty abatement or other administrative waiver. Is interest relief available? Interest charged on a penalty will be reduced or removed when that penalty is reduced or removed. If an unpaid balance remains on your account, interest will continue to accrue until the account is full paid. That's the end of our video. Was this video helpful to you? If so, please share with your friends so we could educate more taxpayers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye.